Assalamu alaikum everybody. Are you guys having problem to face the camera? You guys not able to speak in front of camera? You guys don't know how to speak. So today I'm gonna give you the solutions. Hey, Assalamu alaikum to everybody. This is Nazaka Hussain. Good evening, and I hope all of you doing wonderful. So before you guys go ahead, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the videos for every day. So as yesterday I made a video that I'm gonna tell you some tips. It was the most demanding video because some of people were asking me, hey Malik, I mean they used to call me Malik and Naz, like how you're so confident to come in front of camera because we are watching you for the very first time. And now here is the answer. To come on the YouTube, it's not first time. To come and talk to live in front of camera, it's not the first time. I'm doing it since my childhood, you know. But yeah, I made a YouTube channel just recently and I started to talk in front of camera. But okay, it's not just started 1 month ago or 2 months ago. It's from last, I think, 8 to 9 years. So guys, before delaying, I'm gonna, give you some tips. Like there would be almost 4 to 5 points. How you guys can get the confidence to come to sit in front of camera. The point 1. As you guys, are used to speak in your circle, in your gathering, and this video, most of the time I'm gonna speak in English, but yeah, Urdu would be there as well, so that anyone in this globe, or whoever is sitting everywhere, they can understand what exactly I'm talking. When we have a friends, when we have a family, any kind of discussion is going on, so why we are not reluctant? We just speak with the confidence, like, is there any political debate or any kind of, the professional issue or any family issue? We are just 4 or 5 people are sitting and we are speaking. And everyone is giving their opinion. So it's same like that in front of camera. Okay, you're talking normally, then some news anchor came, a reporter comes. Let's suppose, okay, nowadays rain is going on. Okay, in the normal life you speak a lot, but when reporter comes to you and you say like, blah, 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 you start fumbling. So why you can't speak in front of camera? It's not a problem. It's very easy. Just put your camera in front of you. You're sitting in the room. Just imagine there are 4 to 5 people around you and you're just talking to them. Because it's a camera, guys. If there is any mistake, any problem is out there, you just can delete. You can edit the video. Because, there is no shortcut for this. I will start from this. Like if I talk about my childhood, I was used to practice in the tape recorder. When I was in, I would say, in 8th or 9th class. Honestly speaking to you today, this bit experience I'm going to share with you guys. I was used to do the tape recording. And then I was used to listen it again and again, again and again. And my favorite topics were the religious discussion, about society, and about my, the peer groups, about my family. Let's suppose I wasn't having my favorite thing from a family, from a mom. So I was used to make a video. Like, why she's not giving me? What could be the reason behind this? And okay, let's suppose if sometimes I was angry, I was in, in the hyper state. So I was used to, take out my frustration that way. Okay, this was the way. And then, I was used to listen every single day, okay, how it's coming. And someday I will show you all those tape recordings when inshallah we're gonna have the big audience. I will show you everybody. And the second formula was, I was used to talk in front of mirror. There was a wall mirror, and I'm sure nowadays everyone has a wall mirror at their homes. So just, be stand in front of the mirror, just start talking. Just start talking anything. Like you're talking to yourself, you're talking to camera because there's nobody around you. Maybe you're hesitating, okay, there is a huge public, there's a crowd, I'm gonna speak. Everyone gonna see me. Before that I made to practice. So that is the best solution. Just stood up in front of mirror and start talking. If you have any favorite topic, if you have anything to talk, just talk on that. If not, then just start talking randomly. Like, hey, this is ABC, XYZ, today we're gonna talk about this, today we're gonna talk about this. So, best solution, right? Just start talking. भाई कोई बड़ी rocket science नहीं है. कोई script ना लेके आओ. अभी क्योंकि आपने initially start करना है, you just need to give a strong kick. So there is no need to have a, the script, there is no need to have a content. Just stop bolna seekho taaki you guys can give it a very huge kick. And that's gonna help you a lot. Okay, the second thing. 3 or 4 of my contacts were asking me, Mr. Malik, what content we're gonna produce? Doesn't matter what content you're gonna produce. Doesn't matter at all. Let's suppose you're a vlogger, you're a food blogger, you're a blogger, you are a tourist. I would say you are an English teacher, you are a mathematics teacher, you are a speaker, you are a trainer, and you just started practice. So just go and talk about that. There's one guy known to me, he is my friend from Bahawalpur city, and he just started a channel, and you know what he's just talking about his favorite subject. So, I mean, any content you guys can choose. The third point, you guys no need to worry who is watching you. No need to worry who is watching you. Damn care that okay, if I'm gonna talk today, if I'm gonna speak today, then my friends, my family, they're gonna see, hey, they would say, hey man, what you talking about? Hey man, this is not a good content. Are you mad? Are you crazy? Okay, you will get lot of comments. I would say in this situation, you need a support from your best buddies, but nowadays those buddies are not there. So don't worry about Nazakat, XYZ, ABC, वो शाइस्ता, वो जोया, वो सारा. Just leave them. Just start talking. जो भी आपके पास content है अपना, उस पर आप बात करना शुरू कर दें. That's not a problem. They should go to hell, I would say. Just damn care about those people who are stopping you to put your energy, who is stopping you to give your best, who is stopping you to come in front of camera and to talk in terms of freedom. Okay. Now the fourth point comes, your attire, the way you dress up. Okay. Now here a lot of people, obviously in Pakistani culture, I would say, we do have a hesitation. Here how I am looking, my official gestures, I'm a looking black, I'm a looking brown, I'm a looking white. Oh man, this complex is only here in Pakistan, honestly speaking. So just come out of that. If you're gonna be in this complex, like, okay, you have a dark skin, you have a brown skin, oh man, what people gonna talk about? Hey, he has a small eyes, hey, he doesn't have a beard, he doesn't have good hair, his face is not good. No man, come out of that dilemma, okay? Just build the confidence. And the fifth thing, what you guys think in Pakistan, if you talk about the top YouTubers, what you guys think, like they brought this thing from their mom of their mother? No, I mean they were not born with the camera. Nazakat wasn't born with the camera. I didn't have a camera when I was in womb of my mother. When I came outside, I came naked, So it's all about practice. And I was practicing since I was in, I think 7 or 8, I mentioned earlier. But yeah, I wasn't in front of, in the YouTube, I wasn't making videos. I was so occupied, I didn't have time. Now, since I came back from Dubai, I really thought I should give it a kick. Why not to share my ideas with the public? So that thing. Even the old YouTubers, if you see my videos, my case is totally different because Alhamdulillah, I have that strong grip. You start from my very first video, I have the same contact with the lens, like I'm talking to you. But if we talk about other YouTubers, honestly speaking, some of them delete their videos. I really know their names as well, but don't need to delete the videos. And all of them were not, you can say, the expert to speak, to face the camera. They were like, the SD, result and normal result. They were like fumbling. Their hands were shivering. And, they were supposed to do like this. So no worries. Have a long breath. Have a deep breath. Be in the comfort zone. मत सोचे उनके बारे में कि वो शुरू से ही आके कोई 1 लाख उनके सब्सक्राइबर्स हो गए या 2 लाख सब्सक्राइबर्स हो गए, इतने व्यूज हो गए. ना. Nowadays, no one is going to guide you. हर कोई कहेगा यार इतना मुश्किल है, अरे भाई क्या कर रहे हो, क्या चैनल बना रहे हो, क्या ज़रूरत है. भाई दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ अर्निंग. मैं अपनी प्रोफेशनल और पर्सनल लाइफ में इतना बिजी हुआ कि मुझे टाइम ही नहीं मिला. लेकिन जहाँ तक बात करने की बात है, तो यार बात करना कोई मुश्किल नहीं है. मैं आज से 10 साल पहले भी करता तो मेरे लिए मुश्किल नहीं था. तो अभी क्योंकि मैंने स्टार्ट 3 मंथ्स पहले किया है, तो मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि मैं इसी स्टार्ट के दौरान ही आप लोगों को साथ लेके चलो, आप लोगों से बात करूँ, आप लोगों को टिप्स दूँ, so that it should be very helpful for the YouTubers who are beginners, right? 5 points are completed. Now we're gonna go the most important thing. कि यार हमारे पास तो स्क्रिप्ट ही नहीं है, हमारे पास कोई टॉपिक ही नहीं है बात करने के लिए. तो भैया कैमरा तो है ना. आज मुझे ये लगता है कि अगर कोई 8th, 9th, 10th का भी स्टूडेंट है ना, आई एम फीलिंग हॉट, आई एम सिटिंग आउटसाइड इन द पार्क. 9th, 10th का भी स्टूडेंट उसके पास कैमरा है. मुझे याद है व्हेन आई वाज इन FSC, आई थिंक इट वाज फर्स्ट ईयर, आई गॉट Motorola. It was a small cell phone of 1800 rupees. Okay, that time I wasn't able to record. As I told, I was recording on the tape recorder. So everyone has a cell phone, everyone has a mobile phone. Just pick up, fix it on the tripod or fix it on your table and start talking, man. No need to worry what you're gonna talk. Just start talking. Usme kya hoga? You guys gonna get the confidence. You guys, gonna give you that booster. At least that way, your hesitation gonna go, your fumbling gonna go. You would come out of that dilemma like what people gonna think. You're gonna go on your friend's gathering, you're gonna go on some restaurant, you're gonna go on some grocery, just get something and start giving review. Okay, let's suppose if I went to the McDonald's today, hey guys, I eat this. Okay, the taste was delicious. If taste wasn't good, then give a bad review. So this is very, very simple to come and to talk. So these are the 5 tips. Baat phir wahi hai. You are the only person. You're the only person who is gonna help yourself. You don't have competition with others. You don't have competition with Nazakat. You don't have competition with rest of the YouTubers. You don't have competition with Raza Samo. You don't have competition with Ducky. You don't have competition with the Indian YouTubers. You are the only person. You have competition with the person you see every day in the mirror. And no worries, no skill set, nothing, job is not there. Just start, making videos on the YouTube. And how to create a YouTube channel, obviously I will give you the tips as well, because in our Pakistani community, people are so congested to share our knowledge among public. That's the main problem. So I will give you those tips as well, that how to give it a kick, how to give a start, and that's not a big problem. You have a cell phone, now you can start a YouTube channel. You can start earning. Almost it takes like 2.5 months, but it's a consistent work. Let's suppose in a month you have to give a kick up to more than 100 videos. Believe me. And okay. So it's not late, a silver cloud, a dark cloud always has silver lining behind it. And golden age is not behind but in front of us. So start talking. And the boys were playing football and that just came to me, I saved it. Otherwise it was going to fall down, So these were the 5 tips I just shared with you. Doesn't matter for me. It's start of my own channel, just 3 months gone and I have 6K subscribers, that's enough for me. But okay, I thought why not? Let's start to making videos which can be helpful for every single individual. So start talking about your profession, start talking about your interest, start talking what subject is your favorite. If you're a teacher, if you're a professor, if you're a blogger, if you're a vlogger, whatever. You are fond of traveling, just start talking, So these are the 5 initial tips. Now it's very hard, I can't continue for further more and I'm gonna end up this video. Now share this video in your circle, whoever is watching, subscribe, like and share. Okay, if anyone is watching around you, 10 people, 15 people, doesn't matter. I have no concern with the numbers. I'm just here to spread the awareness. And that's my only concern. Besides my private life. This is what I'm in front of camera. So thank you very much guys. खुश रहें, खुशियाँ बांटें. अल्लाह हम सबको अपना फजल तलाश करने की तौफीक दे. आमीन सुम्मा आमीन. अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाह एंड फी अमान.